Hi friends, this is Rajesh and welcome to my YouTube channel EduDest One Stop Destination. Friends, today we will see how to find out the square of 3-digit number using the diagonal method. Here is the question. So here we will find out the square of 329, which is a 3-digit number, by using the diagonal method. Let's see what are the steps. Okay, step 1. First of all, we have to draw a square like this. Second, we need to divide it into 9 subsquare, as 329 is a 3-digit number. So remember, here we need to divide the square into 3 rows and 3 columns, from which we will get 9 subsquares. Total 9 subsquares. Next step. In the third step, we need to draw the diagonals like this. Okay friends, next, write down the numbers 3, 2, 9 both horizontally and vertically. Okay, next, multiply each digit on the left of the square with each digit on the top, one by one, like this. 3 3s are, 3 2s are, 3 9s are. Okay friends, then we need to write down the product in the corresponding subsquares. Okay friends, in the corresponding subsquares. Here, let me tell you one important thing. The lower part of the diagonal is made for units digit. Okay friends, and the upper part of the diagonal is made for your tens digit. When 3 gets multiplied by 3, we get the product 9, which is a single digit number, and here 9 stands for your units digit. As there is no tens digit is available here, so in that case we need to put 0 above the diagonal. Okay friends, similarly the 3 2s are 6, as it is a single digit number and your 6 stands for your unit digit, so we need to write it below the diagonal. In the same case, here there is no tens digit, so we need to write down the 0 above the diagonal. Now 3 9s are 27. Here it's a 2-digit number. The product is a 2-digit number, where the 7 stands for your units digit and the 2 stands for your tens digit. Similarly, you need to find out the product and you need to put the value like this. Okay, now come to the next step. According to step 6, starting from the lowest diagonal, sum the digits diagonally. That means from this point we need to add all the digits diagonally, like this. Okay friends, okay, let's start from this diagonal. Here the total sum is 1. 1 is a single digit number. As it is a single digit number, we need to keep it as it is. Only we have to underline this unit digit. Now move to the next diagonal. Here the total sum is 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 8 24. Okay, now have a look on step 7. If the sum is a 2-digit number, in that case we have to underline the units digit and carry over the tens digit to the next diagonal. That means here the total sum is a 2-digit, and according to step 7 we need to underline the unit digit and carry forward the tens digit to the next diagonal. Okay friends, now move to the third diagonal. Here the total sum is the 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 7 20. So the total sum is 20. And here we need to add 2 because this 2 is carried from the previous diagonal. Okay friends, now the total sum comes to your 22, which is again a 2-digit number. And according to step 7, we need to underline the unit digit and we need to carry forward the tens digit to the next diagonal. Okay friends, now the fourth diagonal. Here the total sum is the 2 plus 6 8, the 8 plus 6 14, the 14 plus 2 16. The total sum is 16 plus 2. This 2 is carried from the previous diagonal. Okay friends, now you got it. Now here the total sum is 18, which is again a 2-digit number. Now here we need to underline the unit digit and we need to carry forward the tens digit to the next diagonal. Now come to the fifth diagonal. Here the total sum is 9. Okay, then we need to add 1 because this 1 is carried from the previous diagonal. Okay friends, now the total sum is your 10, which is again a 2-digit number, and again we need to underline the unit digit and we need to carry forward the 1 to the next diagonal. Okay friends, in the last diagonal our total sum is 0 and we need to add 1 because this 1 is carried from the previous diagonal. Now here the total sum comes is 1, which is a single digit number. So now we need to underline it as a unit digit. Now according to step 8, finally we need to write down all the unit digit and all the underlined digit from top to bottom. Okay friends, that means 1 0 8 2 4 1. So this is our answer. So 1,08,241 is the square of 329. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was useful to you. If you like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. So till then, bye friends and take care.